Good morning to all my dear children. High five to everyone. So today I'm here back again with the English online class. So today I'm going to start with the writing section, that is informal letter writing. Right? We have done the MCV, we have done the grammar. So today we are going to start with the writing section. See, basically you all know that English is of 4 skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening. Right? Now we're going to start with the informal letter writing. Forget about the informal. Just see the word letter. L-E-T-T-E-R. Letter. Letter we say in Hindi patra. Okay. So this is called the patra lekhan. Now when I'm talking about the letter, so what do we mean by letter? Letter is a way. Okay. Where and in the letter. Okay, we can send via mail or via post. It is a message. Letter is a message. It can be handwritten or printed also. A letter can be handwritten or printed also. So, and these letters can be sent via post or by mail. Correct? So, when I'm talking about the letter, okay, we have it's classified in 2 kinds. One is informal, another is formal. Informal letter writing that we are going to do in this class. Correct? What is an informal letter writing? These are known as personal letters written to friends, relatives, that is near and dear ones. When you write a letter to your mother, father, brother, sister, neighbor, okay, uncle, aunt, whomsoever, these all letters are called as an informal letter writing. Now, when we write a letter to the, for the business purpose, that is my formal letter writing. That when we write a letter to the editor, to the bank manager, or to the principal, class teacher, vice principal. So these types of letters come under my category of formal letter. So here we are doing the informal letter writing. So these are known as the personal letters written to the friends, relatives, near and dear ones. Letter written for invitation, for condolence, sympathy, thank you letter. So when we write these type of letters, it comes under my informal letter writing. Correct? So what is the format of this letter writing? As we have already discussed in our live class, right? This topic is already been covered in live class. So we all know the format. So the format for the informal letter writing. So how do we start this letter writing? First, we'll start with the sender's address. It will be first will be the sender's address, means your address. We can write A, B, C, Colony, Manpur, Abu Road, Rajasthan. So that is my address where, sending it. Then leaving a line, I will mention the date. Right? Second will be the date. Date is very, very important in the letter writing. So we can write like 1st July, 2021. Then will be the salutation, like dear mom, hello friend, dad, father, brother, sister, whatever. So you can write it there, dear mom, dear dad, or dear Rahul, whatever you want, you can mention it there. Then comes the 4th then we'll start writing the letter. First will be the intro paragraph. First will be the intro paragraph. First means where I'm going to give introduction, asking the help about the fitness of the person. So second will be the main. Second is the main, that is the body, the content or the matter or reason for writing letter. This is my main paragraph of the letter writing. Third will be the conclusion. Now I will be ending the letter with the concluding and give my regards, my blessings. Like this we can end. See you soon. That will be the conclusion of my 3rd paragraph. So in the letter writing, in the exam, I will be giving you the word limits. With suppose you can complete your letter by 120 to 150 words. Right? So these will be the word limits of the letter writing in the exam time. So So here when you write a letter, so you have to take care of the format, because you will be getting marks for the format also. So what you will do, we will just taking first, we will start with sender's address, leaving a line, date, leaving a line, salutation, dear mom, dear dad, brother, sister, whatever. Then we will start with the first paragraph, that introduction, that first ask the health and everything, and second give the content, the matter, the reason for writing the letter, and the conclusion. Last is the complimentary closing. Complimentary closing will be there. Okay, right. Your lovingly, okay, your loving son, your loving friend, okay, whatever you want, you have to write that, and then you mention your name. But remember, in the informal letter writing, we do not write the subject. Okay, so do not write the subject on the letter writing of the informal. It is written only for the formal letter writing. The subject will be write only for the formal letter writing. But when we are writing the informal letter writing, personal letter to near and dear ones, in that we do not mention the subject. So this is the format of the letter writing. So students, I have uploaded a document also, example of the informal letter writing in your writing section slot. You can you copy that in notebook, and also do copy the notes like what is letter writing, what is formal or what is informal letter writing. That also you copy along with the format and the example also in your notebook, right? So this is what the letter writing is all about, correct? So in the next class we will be doing the next letter, that is the formal letter writing, correct? I hope that it is clear. Still you have doubt, do feel free to call, ask, contact, message wherever you have doubt. So thank you for joining this online classes. God bless you. Then stay home, stay safe, and take all the precautions.